sigurado ka ba na ito yung latest report na hinihingi ko galing sa procurement department? Para kasing may mali dito eh. Mas lalong tumataas yung mga supplies natin.
Ma'am Ina, naka-update na po yung report na yan. Tapos yung naka-signature po dyan is yung bagong procurement head, si Sir Dindo Castillo po.
Yes, attorney.
Yes.
Mamaya pa po yung meeting natin. May inaayos pa po po.
What time is it? Anyway, ako nga, no? My bad, my bad. Sorry, nalilito na rin kasi ako sa schedules. But anyway, ano ba yung inaayos mo? Is there any problem?
Yes, attorney. And I think this is serious.
Really?
Pagkaupo ko as CEO, nasilip ko agad na overpriced yung mga supplies na pinopurchase natin. Aware po ba kayo dito?
Well, to be honest, Iha, wala akong alam talaga dyan, no? And as far as I know, si Ma'am Oria, sa kanya lahat tumadaan yan. And I don't see anything wrong about that.
Maybe there is. And it's my job po to inspect and investigate on this matter. But I'm confident naman po na maayos natin to, lalo na sa tulong niyo, attorney, when it comes to legal and technical aspects.
Oo naman. Definitely, definitely. And I'm here to support talaga the CEO. Mag-iimbestiga daw si Ina doon sa department mo. So, ang gawin mo, gumawa ka ng bagong report, yung mas maayos. Sabi, yung na-report mo dati, sabi mo, nagkaroon ng error. Okay? Para mas maayos yung transaction.
Okay. I hope you can back me up also. Alam mo na, kung sakasakali lang, paano kung mabuking nila na magkasabot pala tayo at ma-discover nila yung ating dummy account?